So what do you do when you lose a trade? Do you break every electronics in your house, or mad over the market, or maybe kill yourself over that? No, as a professional trader, when you take a loss in the market, you need to go back and analyze the market and understand what happened, what the market did, or of course the market is always right. Understand where you went wrong. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you a trade that we made yesterday. That was Euro NZD. Let me show you. Euro NZD. So we made our entry on Euro NZD, but as usual, there was news, man. News was on its way, and the market did take us out. And you can see right now, price is moving to our anticipated direction, which is crazy. So let me take you back and show you what happened and how we made the analysis, what the market was looking like before that madness. You know what I mean? So first things first, I'll go back to the higher time frame, which is the daily. Okay. So now I'll explain what happened and what I was seeing during my analysis. No, if I remove everything, you understand that price is moving in an uptrend, series of a higher high and a higher low, which is amazing. All right. Then now we bring in our support tool and start drawing to understand where the demand and the supply zone is. Okay. So now look at this zone right here. Now on this, of course, I understand that right now, let me show you. Right here, that was our demand zone, and of course this was our supply zone. Easy. All right. Now at the same time, we also have another sensitive area right here. So after identifying those zones, then I now had to make sure that I understand how price is reacting around those levels. Okay, let's continue. Now I'll go back. In fact, before that, of course, you can see I have my trends. So right here, this trend just showed me, okay, price was moving down and it broke. Okay, when it broke, it gave us a new high, then came back to retest this level. With that, now that's called a bullish flag. So if we have a bullish flag right now, then that means we should be looking for buy position, which is amazing. All right, so let's continue. Now that we understand that we should be looking for bullish property, now let's now continue understanding this market more. Let's understand the market more. Okay. All right. Now when we come to this bullish flag right here, inside this bullish flag, we should be looking for patterns. Okay, patterns and shapes. And now if we see there's an inverse head and shoulder, this is the left shoulder, the head, price went up and now came back to give me a right shoulder. Yo, everything is looking great so far. Okay, despite all, we've not checked our economic calendar, but price action wise, everything is looking so amazing. Okay, all right, so let's go. Then let's hit. In fact, let me just take you to the H1. To the H1. So initially I had no trend line. Let me just delete this one. These ones I made those ones after evolving. You understand? After evolving. All right. So actually this is where the price was. Right there. So this is when price was looking so amazing. So I went to the 15, hitting the 15. Let me just do that. I went to the 15, and of course I identified a new lower high. So right here, this is the new lower high, and if price takes this as usual, we were supposed to take our buy position. Let's go. Take it back to the H1. So let me just tell you, this is it. We made that. Then now stop loss below. In fact, let me just show you my Telegram. I also gave the public that entry. So you see how price was looking amazing. See, this is how it was amazing. In fact, then now let's see what market did. All right, right now we were triggered. Right, so we were triggered, and let me show you our anticipated target. this should be our anticipated target. So you see that I had a take profit one right here. In fact, this zone should have been the first take profit. This level should have been the first take profit. So I understood that, okay, now since we have an inverse head and shoulder, price is giving us a higher high and a higher low. So right now price is at the highest low and it has taken that new lower high. I hope you guys understand. So that's why I entered that buy position. So bear in mind, I never saw that there was an incoming news, and in fact it was on a dollar. I believe that was an employment rate, but I was trading euro NZD, so I was like, yo, there's no way the dollar will impact my pair. That's why, you know, most of the time I do avoid trading anything that has a dollar, because dollar drops news like crazy. But no, it's crazy how the dollar impacts other pairs that don't have dollar. Anyway, since we're having euro NZD, there is a euro USD. NZD has NZD USD. So you see, it's crazy though. All right. So the market started playing out. Let's go. So right now, our entry turned to a support. Guys, it's crazy. You see? So price was just playing around that level, but at the same time, I didn't have any problem with that, because I still believe at the end of the day, after that madness, price will just go to our anticipated direction, because I had all the confidence on this trade. So let's see. See, you see that? So that was news. News dropped and taken out, and now see the madness. Price started moving up. It's crazy how your stop loss level becomes the zone that now the market hits, the now reverses, but due to news. That is one of the reasons. Okay, so now the market has gone, and that is now the current price. Okay, so there's no problem. Now I need to talk about the reason also why we did take that L, despite having news, of course, but there's also a reason why the market took us out, and it was just a tiny mistake that we could have avoided. All right, let me show you. All right, so I'll remove this. I'll just remove everything now. Okay, all right, so let me just hit the replay button once again, guys. So I've learned something. All right, so this level right here, that was the mistake that I never saw. All right, I know most of you are wondering, what are you talking about? So if I saw that level, it just could have told me that, yo, you need to bring in a trend right here. All right, you needed to bring a trend to pass right here. Okay, and after that I had to clone this. I was supposed to clone this and make it this high. So this sign, this level just gave me a sign that I was supposed to understand that the market wanted to give out a new trend. Okay, so in respect to that, the market did that, and yes, you see it started respecting that level. So it's crazy, you understand? So if I had this in mind, or if I saw that, that means I could have not made that entry. So I was just supposed to wait for market to respect that level and now give me a reversal. And you can see this is a first touch right here, second touch, and now price gave a third touch. Then that is why it dropped. So despite all, the market is right. You know, the market is right. That is what also I learned. The market is right, and you know, news create volatility. That is what I understand also. Okay. Despite the news taking us out, yes, the market was right, because there was a trend or a resistance that it was trying to respect. So if we saw that, then we could have not made that entry in respect to that, you know. So only after that, a market respecting that trend, then you see that the price has given us a double bottom. Okay. So with that, we have this level. So also we need to make sure that price takes out now the new high. That is when we make now our buy entry position right there, and now target our anticipated level. something like that, and that is the current price. In fact, I'm supposed to, but yo, we still have news today, you understand, we still have news today, and it's crazy though. So we should take that buy entry, but we have news, that's the problem. Okay, let me see. So today I'm not going to give you signal because already I've given you a signal, guys. Already I've given you a signal. So check out the Telegram link in the description, guys, and please do not be scammed, guys. I don't trade for nobody. I don't offer any investment package, guys. I only trade Forex, guys. I don't trade crypto things, you know what I mean. So, and the only link you can reach me, guys, is in the description box below. We have a channel with over 1,000 subscribers on Telegram that's scamming people in my name, but that's not me. My Telegram channel is 300, let me see, 350 subscribers right now. So do not get scammed, guys. So until next time, gang, adios amigos.